I'm on my way to West Palm Beach to go kayaking for my first time. And I just sent a text message before I left to my sister, my oldest sister, not the one that fights, but my oldest sister, Lisa, because she has her own kayak and loves to go. So I was like, any advice for me? So I'm excited. I've done paddleboarding before, and that I saw people kayaking, and I was like, you know, my body's like a little tired of this kayak or of paddleboarding. Like, it's a lot of work. Paddleboarding is way more work than I thought. I thought it was going to be like more sightseeing and just chilling, but no, it's very active. But then I would see people on the kayaks, and I'd be like, dang, I wish I did that instead, because that looks more relaxing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Going kayaking for my first time with Bruce. Say hi, Bruce. He's the lifeguard, just in case I drown.
Pay me the big bucks.
Check this place out, though. So, have you ever seen roots that stick straight up out of the ground? Like, they're going to impel you if you had a canoe stick fight out here?
Like stalagmites? Or is it stalagmites? In the cavern.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, those are cool. Ooh. So I got my paddle here. I'm not currently helping, but I've been helping. This is a lot of fun, though. Lots of fun.
Just get away from everything and do something like this when you're with nature.
Yeah. Ooh, check it out up here. So we just have to pay attention to alligators. Yeah. So we just, I guess, say like, hi, Mr. Alligator, and then just slowly go the other way. Yeah.
I guess the other couple gave up once they got to the falls.
I think we hurt their feelings calling them slowpokes.
First time they were doing it.
Yeah. Didn't lose the phone. I wish I would have had the video on that waterfall thing that we came down. That would have been cool.
And you get it on the way back.
Yeah.
You can even go down it again.
That was kind of fun. Only because I didn't know how it was going to go.
When you whitewater raft, you have a lot of those.
Yeah.
It's steeper.
Looks like one of those pterocarpus trees that repels mosquitoes that I saw in Puerto Rico. We're in West Palm Beach. Where are we at? What's the name of this place?
Jupiter.
In Jupiter, right above West Palm Beach in Florida.
Jupiter Outdoor Center, it's called.
Yeah.
On Indian Town Road.